I didn't know you can hear me, guys. I'm sorry. I saw a fidget spinner in the front. Okay, hello guys, it's me, DJ Wolf Gaming here today. Today we're playing Meep City. I saw a fidget spinner in the front. I wanted to see it. And it looks like they're constructing something here. Stop. No. You little dudes. I can just come in front of you. So, I'm gonna try to figure it out. And if I don't, it was just fake. Oh, it's right there. Yeah! That's cool. Oh, it's so cool. That's cool. Can you put it more? Can I have one, please? Can I get one again? I don't know, guys. Can I get one? Can I get one again? No, I do not like white ones. I want a green or black or orange one. Or pink. No, I do not want white. It's a waste of my time. Okay, guys, so I don't know if you can hear me sometimes. I'm sorry, guys. I need to lower the volume down a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna play it. I got 9 fish right now. Forgot how to play this game. I never played this game in a whole time. Long time, I mean. So, wow, you just dodged that. We're gonna be showing my house and stuff, like what I did with my game. The plaza. Before watching, if you watched it, no. Can you do it now? You're just this my restaurant right here. And also you can I think I'm covering the thing too much. I gotta stop that. So you can be a teen, you can be a kid, and you can just be regular. I just like spinning this fidget spinner. So we're gonna go to the plaza. Actually, no. Let's see if they have anything new. Furniture. I don't know how many coins I have. Let me see how much coins I have. 614. I am poor. I'm really poor. Okay, so let's go in here, and then we're gonna go look for some furniture. Okay, so let's go here. Yeah, I'm really. Can there be anything else? So, I think I have to see the kitchen. I got everything in kitchen. So, no, I have that already. Don't need the kitchen stuff. Living room, trash bin, the L couch, wall lamp, sofa couch, beanbag. I don't know what to get. A fireplace? A cushion table, a zigzag rug, a small cushion chair, a ball chair, a furniture, futuristic, marble support beam, rug, circle rug, paw rug. I like this futuristic. I'm gonna buy this. I like it. Yeah, let's buy this. Okay. Then I had nothing left. I'm poor now. I'm poor as heck now. Back. Bedroom. Got a closet. I don't want a baby crib. Ice cream bed, desk lamp. PC desk. I need that to make my YouTube videos. Smart bed, hard bed, L cabin. And I'm gonna get some L cabinets. I'm also gonna get PC desk, and that's it. And oh yeah, small dresser and a bookshelf. Can we buy this? No. Okay, so I don't have enough stuff, so I'm gonna make sure we show my house in this game. So I'm gonna get some. I can't speak today, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Also, I'm really sorry I didn't make a YouTube videos for like 3 weeks. I lost my phone and to make YouTube videos with. And that was horrible. And I couldn't do anything after that. I couldn't make any YouTube videos to make with. Man, I'm always about the mobile. What did I do there? I'm so tired. Okay, so no. Okay, I'm just not gonna catch it anyway. Okay, something. What am I doing with this? I forgot how to do this fishing thing. You guys are so far away. Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I'm done with thing. So I got 20 fish. So let's go to the fish store right here. And we're gonna drop it off, and then we're gonna go to my house and show you some stuff. So let's go in here. Let's see how much coins I have right now. 9. So we're gonna drop this off. So my fish worth 100 bonus 78 by plus and plus. Okay. What is this? Okay. So we got 220 coins now. I'm not gonna buy anything. I maybe do more stuff later on. So I am gonna maybe, if I can whatchamacallit, edit this video. I can show my oh my gosh, my intro. It's been so long since I made a YouTube video. And also we're making a thing called the Neon Gamers, or the the Neon Gamers. Neon Gamers with Lightning Striker Gaming and Veggie that he didn't make a YouTube video yet. Veggie, I don't know. He doesn't make YouTube videos, but he knows sometimes how to make. Holy shoot, I have Christmas stuff. Oh, you know, this is horrible. I have to remove this. Oh, I wish we could sell this stuff because I don't need it anymore. It's not Christmas anymore. It's not Christmas anymore. So I got bunk beds here. Got the couch. Got the radio. See, that's my fridge over there and stuff. My TV, for some reason I forgot I put it there. Put the banana. I'm a banana. Stop. Okay, right there. And then we're gonna get this. This is the only thing I bought. And, to be honest, guys, I maybe do oh shoot, I didn't hear you. Didn't hear me. I may do a video on Bloxburg if we can. No, why is everything like this? Oh, DJ Coolio. Done. There. Okay, now we go to the attic. See some. What's this? No. Put that back. Okay, guys. So that's it. Yeah. So Nope, I don't want to do that. I want to get out of here. So this is my living room. This is where I sit and watch TV. This is my bedroom. If there's like a sleepover or something like that, I put 2 bunk beds here and another bunk bed's over here, and then they could just be laying here just in front of the TV watching that frog. Hashtag frog in the comments below. The new word. Here's my bed, and here's my closet thing. Here's my couch. I don't know why that's there. I bet. Yep, that's the mirror. This is my boombox. Set music. Okay. Oh yeah, I have some other device. I can't do it. So this is my room where I cook my food. Coolio's awake, and yeah. My parents are not here. I'm just kidding. They are. This is my PC room. I forgot. I bought 2 of these. So, like, I have 3 monitor screens. No, that's 4. I forgot. So, I don't need to buy more of those. Yeah. So, now I can, this is my stuff, and yeah, that's all it. Okay, so change channel. Can we change the channel? Oh, animals today. Let's just keep watching this. Let's change this frog channel. It's weird. Banana. No. 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 I have that on. No. 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 Actually, I'll keep it on. Exercise, people. Ah. Okay, that's it. Dude. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Let's get out of here. Let's go back. I know this has been a boring video, but you know, I have to get back to the hang of making videos. And whoa. What is, can I go in this? Oh, let me in! So yeah, I'm gonna go back home. So I'm gonna go home, that's it. And this video is probably not gonna get anything good in it, so yeah. But let's see if we can get to the pizza place before I leave this video. Okay guys, so let's keep going. I need to also get some new blueprints for my house, so yeah. It's like a frog one where you can get frogs. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you the plaza. The plazas were like you can get food. To be honest, this is not really my game, so all you do is get fish, and then get money, and then build your house. You can get a good house, but I never spend money. I'm never gonna spend monies in here. So let's go in here. Let's go get some pizza. I should have ended off on ice cream. Holy shoot! I'm eating it. Thank you guys for watching now, guys. Make sure to like this video and give us a thumbs up. Go check out Baller Plays and anybody. Make sure to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching, and stay on the beat.